Hey guys, welcome to What's Up Wednesday. I'm Paul Foster from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. So Wednesdays we give you updates on our projects. I'm traveling right now, I'm in Peru, and I'm at kind of the local version of the Home Depot. Well, a much smaller version, maybe more like a Home Hardware. Anyways, here's where the locals will buy their materials. You see behind me we've got plywood and all different sorts of wood material, but in this particular place they specialize in recycling material as well. So they recycle pallets and they build all types of furniture out of it. I'll show you a few pieces here, they're pretty cool. I got a delivery truck coming in full of pallets here. You can see here behind me we got a little cool little bench or chair they've made, and here we got this good little family sitting on one of the recycled benches. That's my family, there you go, family and friends. But yeah, and then you can see back in here, here's kind of where they work their magic. So that's pretty cool. A little local shop. They recycle a ton of material and build new furniture out of it. And then they also sell new construction materials. So it's pretty cool. I don't know, I love learning and seeing what's out here. And you can see behind me they made some dog houses out of the stuff. But pretty cool. And here comes the delivery truck. We're getting all the action here. All right, there you go. There's a little update on my adventures. Pretty cool stuff. We'll see you again next week. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Cheers.